we feel like what is pushing people away from investing in dating is one, they're very outcome focused. You really only focus on finding that person who gives you butterflies and chemistry and wa- wanting to never leave them, and you can't live your life without them. That's not doing life with someone. That's not realistic. That is how rom-coms play out, and they're not real. So that's one piece, is that we're focusing so much on the outcome. The other part of it is that there's so much of this you versus me mentality in
Mhm.
dating too. People get on the defensive when they go on a date. They feel like, well, I spending my time with you. What are you going to bring to the table? But relationships, and Julie loves this word. It's a collaboration. It's truly two people coming together to work on a project together. Yet in dating, it's so much of a me versus you,
Mhm.
men versus men, women versus women. There's always an enemy on the other side that you're trying to collaborate with eventually. It's a very contradictory way of doing life with someone.